All right, guys, we're going to get started in just a second here. Hope you are all having a wonderful afternoon if you are in Eastern time. About 10 seconds. You guys hit the like button. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll get into quite a few different things today. We were long in the exclusive Discord. So yeah, what is up, guys? Evan Aldo here. Thank you so much for joining me. Latest trades in exclusive Discord, a Bitcoin long. We're getting close to the first TP if we have not hit it already. Ethereum just hit the first TP pretty recently, and the next one is right there. If you're interested, link in the description below. Thing is, you're going to get charged again on the first, so you might want to wait till May 1st, wait a few days, so you can get double charged. So yeah, what is up, guys? Thanks so much for being here. Smash the like button. So, the main thing we want to talk about right here and kind of how we knew that we may get a pump here was, well, for one, on the three-day, 2-day, you're getting awfully close to the, awfully close to the zero line here. So that's a good point, first of all. The daily, you're getting a bullish divergence. This doesn't happen too often, this little bullish divergence here, because if you're new at this, look, you got your momentum waves coming upward, and as money flow is coming downward, that's a bullish divergence right there. And that could bring up quite a bit, and we'll talk about some more in just a second, how high we could go here. Money flow very deep in the red here on the 12-hour, another reason why I kind of knew that we would come up, and your 6-hour here, looking good. You're coming up with the money flow for the most part. 4-hour, you're in the green. Over here, you look at the money flow crossover into the green. Nothing really happened too much. But, back, approximately we could get an estimate of how 17% you came down. If you repeat something like that, you come up 17. So 46.3. You could come up to 4.6 here, possibly. And, you look at the general trend of this market. This is just sideways since, theoretically, since December in this range area kind of. So it's been a while. You could easily, do something like this and come back down. Would not surprise me at all. In terms of your lower time frames, what's going to happen? Real short term, did we get to our first take? Yeah, we just got to our first take profit. I got to update. The next, I believe I'd have to look at my phone or whatever. It got awfully close to it if it did not hit the first take profit. The next take profit, I would say, would be a good place is right up there to look. So yeah, in terms of your real low time frames, it does look like you're trying to come down a little bit with the 15. Your 4-hour VWAP, curving back up. So, I'm not looking to short probably anytime soon. Just a nice relaxed Thursday. We were getting some rain. Didn't have to play any rain sound effect or anything, but it was nice. And I know what you guys are all here to see. I was talking about on Paul Barron a little while ago. Altcoin hitting a big fib level right now. Usually, and I'm sure people are wondering about this, usually these turn around when they go parabolic. Once you come up and the green starts going over on the 4-hour, start to get a bearish div on the 4-hour while money flow is coming out. I think as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum generally trend upward here, if we do have a rally here, this will continue forward. And, $25, your market cap is already somewhat large in this. I could see maybe 25 or $30 above that. It's going to be tough in my opinion. So yeah, but I would really be looking at, probably money flow coming out on these, hour through 4-hour and divergence is printing. You do have one near 15, which is playing out a little bit, but these generally, you may get something like this, and then continue forward here. So that's Altcoin. Ethereum hitting a big point. We hit that fib level. Good curvature on your hourly. Let's see what else. The daily money flow coming out as was coming up. That's more indicative of sideways. Not seeing the divergence we saw for Bitcoin, but I think it will trend upward. Will go upward as Bitcoin does. Some good curvature in some of these time frames. You definitely, I could see it coming up a little bit more here. I think if Bitcoin goes up to 46K, you could come up back to I mean, when was this? This is April 10th. You could come back up to 3.3K or something. We came pretty high on April 3rd, 3,500 here. And what was that correction from here? I mean, 22%. Total crypto market cap, been talking about this. I mean, blood diamond here. So I do think, it does look kind of like, over this general area, right here. You came a little bit rallies and you finally came down. When we were at this point, last time, a couple weeks, a month or two before you hit your bottom. So I think if history is any indication, as Ben Cowan would say, you get down to your $1 trillion market cap or something here, and massive buying opportunity there. So yeah, let's look at the chat, guys. Toros, crash Toros. I don't know what you mean. Is that a Toros? I don't know that crypto. I think short term will probably go up and then we'll come back down and lose 37. Where's the next high volume node for ETH? I'm not sure. We can look at that though. Guys, smash the like button. Let's see. Oh, it's right here. 3122. Yeah, big area right there. So we'll see what happens. I mean, generally, on the way up, you typically, right there, just a few points, I believe, right before our, it's a few dollars before the first take profit for the long. But yeah. Some volatility this morning, a lot of volatility. So that's a lot of the main things right here. We got your ApeCoin, we got other things. It's like a Cardano. We'll look at a few, and then answer a few questions if you have them. I'm gonna get off probably. Haven't done a regular video in a little while. Mainly just live streams. So Cardano 85 cents, just hovering around there. It looks like a lot of things could generally, come upward a little bit in the short term. You might be able, I mean, you're deep in the red here, very deep in the red on your 16-hour. You might be able to do something like this. I mean, let's see if you were to try to go long here. $1.13 or something, yeah. That'd be a really good risk-reward ratio. I mean, I don't know if you'd get that high. That's the thing. You'd probably want to play it safer and take your profits definitely below $1, 93 cents or something. Maybe you come up a little bit. But yeah, let's look at Polkadot. Generally the same thing, I would say. I mean, you are getting a little bit of bullish hope. I do think, though, that the issue is, actually, let's look at it cracking. I got the line. You're losing that trend line. That's kind of your issue here. You're losing that trend line. You're just continuing to go down forward. I think you'll bottom out, in the bear market, $10. In terms of the real short term, I could see us rallying up a little bit, maybe another test of this area. If you wanted to play it safer, $18 or something, but this is not. That was its low on February. That went real. $14. Yeah. All into USD now. At a loss, should I stay out of Sol, or is there potential for Sol? We can look at Sol. No, last night I was not. I was in Crypto Faces chat a few nights ago. I was not in a chat last night. Yeah, that was the night before I was in chat in Crypto Faces live stream. Let's look at Sol. I don't know what's gonna happen with Sol. Let's see. You get your VWAPs curving up, but I do think, generally based on how these large time frames look, especially with Bitcoin and everything else, you're not going to get too much. With the curvature, that's some good curvature in your 6 hour. Little trigger wave. So, something like maybe something like this. I would probably, if you set a stop loss somewhere around there, that's a good risk reward ratio, and you're betting that you get close to that area or something like that in the short term. Based on that, you might be able to win that trade. 3%. You might be able to get that. Nothing goes straight up. Yeah, you may get a retracement, but I do think, you'll probably come up, at least in the short term, a little bit more. I mean, you're probably basing this off of, yeah, I mean, you do have, yeah, right at 80. We didn't quite just about hit it, I guess. You just hit it, yeah. Yeah, but now it's coming back up, so yeah. 29 likes, 35 viewers. Guys, smash the like button. I'll talk about, for a few more minutes or something. We talked a lot about, top ones here. S&P 500 I always like to look at. Oh, Tesla I know is down. Let's look at that. Yeah, I mean 880 right now. What did we go down to this? We were down to 824. Volatile. I would wait probably at least until the 3 days in the red here. Weekly in the red would be a big buying opportunity. Now you're getting the weekly red dot. So this could be the one that brings you down quite a bit here. And it could be something like this one. Down 38%. So if you come down from the top of, could bottom out there over the summer or something. 600, 620, something like that. Good buying opportunity. I don't think you'll lose 600. Probably worst possible case scenario. I don't think this will happen, but 400. But I don't think it'll happen. I mean, I've been talking. Oh, even more down. Ooh, wait, how down is this now? Is it even going down farther? Okay, 73. I gotta draw a different. I'm trying to think where I have to. Gotta get a line here. Oh, okay. You got to that point. I've been saying worst case scenario 150 probably. I want to wait until my 2 week is in the red here. But yeah. Looks like you could just come down a little bit more. A little scalp, you could probably, if nothing goes straight down. You could do something like this. You can tight stop loss too. And then, yeah. Nice risk reward ratio right there. I'm going to do a little scalp here. And then, No, you're not. Yeah, I got to draw a, hold on. Draw a fib level that's more localized. This is just straight down. Yeah, I can't. I don't even know where. Maybe from here to here or something. Yeah, that would be a nice pocket. That's your golden pocket right there. Not a bad trade. I think you could come up and you look at. This is just, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, you could do. Obviously it's not like crypto where you could go crazy leverage, but it could be probably a pretty good trade right there. Bitcoin monthly green dot tomorrow. Let's see. I don't know about that. Nah, that's gonna take longer, man. That could take. Because you're saying no, that could take 2 months or more. That could take. Look at. Let's see how long it took in between. Yeah, this could stay under for a while, dude. This could stay under for a while. That could before you could. It could be September before you get a green dot here. Yeah, we could look at engine. Probably not going to be too much different than anything else. a second. You could probably do something like this. I mean, it's just, yeah. You draw a bigger one for. Long term, not that great, but actually, even short term, I don't know. You do have some good, yeah. I mean, your hourly, your 2 hours, good curvature. You can pump up in the short term with everything else, I think. We'll see if we could. I think you'll come deeper into the green here and come up a bit more. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let's do a little poll. Will Bitcoin rally to 46K in the next week, I guess? Yeah. You could look at the SPY. Definitely always like to look at the SPY. I was looking, this was before this was a potential. I was just, I don't give really actual trades, with stocks. I just talk about it. I didn't talk about this one, but I mean right there. If you entered there, I was looking at that. Yeah, okay, that was, you probably would have wanted, because you got a golden pocket 3-2. You'd want to take profits right there. It's not the best risk-reward ratio, though. That's why maybe even wait. Yeah, that would be better if we do get that high. You'd probably come down a little before you get that high. I mean, you get relief every, so often here, but I generally think your 3 days is going to go into the red. I generally think your 6 days is going to maybe even end up in the red here. It doesn't look good, especially with the blood diamond. It does not look good. But yeah. While the volatility, why are the funding rates in favor of longs? Because probably more people are going along. While the volatility, because the earnings reports won't say it could be. I mean, it's always volatile, always traders, other things. If you zoom out here, it looks like we're due for something, guys. Well, and I guess some people would make the argument that it's already done. You already had, you came down like here. It really looks like we're due for something. And we had this, and could be it, but I think it'll come down to 380 or something. I think you're due for a little bit more for the next few months. That's my 2 cents on it. I mean, really, you had this, and then 5 years later, you had 4 years later, even by the time it's recovered, you had this, and then 12 years of amazement. This doesn't even go back that far. But yeah, I could look at it probably like, yeah, okay, we could go back farther here. So yeah, however, from 82 upward, it's just generally trended up. Maybe we followed more of this pattern, but I still think you're going to come down a little bit farther. I think you may get down to 380 or something, 3,800 on this chart. But yeah. Yeah, 75 to 2000, like a 25-year period of just, how big was this correction here? 35%. I mean, yeah, you could have a 30, that would probably be a mild recession, right? That would be a recession back to 3,000. It would still be like the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, even if you come back down to 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, steps forward, 1 step back, something like that. About to get a bearish div in the 15. Not looking to go short just yet, though, you know. What if Apple earnings aren't that great? Wouldn't Apple go down? I mean, are they definitely going to be good? Who knows? I don't know. I think you'll hit 120 or lower in the next few months. That's my 2 cents on it. I think you're so due to come into the red here on the red on the weekly here. What would you have gotten if you bought like 4 or 5x? Thanks so much, Jay. I mean, the last time your weekly was in the red, it was, you know, you just come down farther for that. Depends if you want to count that. You're deep in the red here, yeah. I don't know. I do think if everything else goes down, you'll come down a bit deeper, a bit farther here. I mean, we could look at the 2 week would be good to look at. Because that's what I think will be the bottom for a lot of these things, the 2 week. That could happen, you know, September or August. That may be your bottom. And how low could we go? I don't think you'll go like this low. I don't think you'll go at $30, but you could go, you know, you could go down to 60 here. I could see you going down to 65 or something. Definitely can. So yeah. All right, guys. So let's see what do you think? Yeah. No. Okay. So no, you guys don't think we'll rally. You're more bearish. I think I'm probably gonna get off unless you guys have any other questions. Been doing well in the exclusive Discord. A lot of really good trades there. My course as well. If you guys are interested in the course, the link in the description below with the discount code down below. And let's see what else there is. FEMEX, BITGET, check those out. Sign up using my links down below for the bonuses. And yeah, if you want to do a one-on-one session with me, link in the description below. And Market Cipher, link in the description below with the discount code down below. And let's see. That's pretty much it. I think all the stuff down below, especially Discord and my trading course, is going to help you out a lot. So yeah. Look at the DYX. Yeah, we could look at the DXY. I mean, I know everybody's talking about, this is what everybody's talking about, I know. He's talking about this, you know, let's draw our horizontal line right here. The thing is, we've gone higher. I mean, in 02, we're due to go high. It's been a while. So I don't really trade based on this. I think you could go a little bit higher even the next couple months. We are getting divergences, but we have been for a while. That is really high up there. That's why I think this will come down in the short term a little bit, and then you'll, you know, peak out in a few months or something up here maybe. And that would be, if we look at our monthly, yeah, if you come up to here, it won't be that quite, I don't think it'll be that quite that high, you know, 84 or whatever, but you'll get up there, I think. Yeah, I think you'll get up there. Yeah, it is kind of going parabolic. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the links below. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.